You can also use our fast track system to check your vehicle back out again. If you want to use this feature, just tell your service advisor. The service advisor will put the keys in the locker and you'll receive a 4-digit PIN code on SMS, so only you can access your keys. When you come in, select checkout, enter your license plate, the system will then ask you to enter your unique 4-digit PIN code. Once you've done that, you'll see the comments from the workshop, confirmation of the work that's been completed. If you need to speak to a service advisor, you can select that. We'll show you again where your vehicle is parked. We'll ask you to sign again on the screen. And the key locker into which you deposited your keys will open and you can take your keys. Using Fast Track is a quick and easy way to check in and check your vehicle back out.